fund flow analysis. Fund flow analysis. Already we know that analysis is nothing but finding strength and weakness. Strength and weakness. But here we are going to know fund flow analysis. Here fund means cash or money or financial resources or net working capital. Once again, fund means cash, money, financial resources or net working capital. Fund means money or financial resources which are available in the organization or net working capital. Fund flow statement, my dears, it is the meaning. Fund flow statement is a statement which shows the movement of fund and is a report to the financial operations of the business undertaking. It shows the movement of fund and it is a report to the financial operations of the business undertakings. Once again, one more meaning, simple meaning. It is a statement shows movement of fund and causes for movement of fund. So how the funds are moved in the organization and why the funds are moving from one place to another place. Means of here moving means not one place to another place, increase or decrease, increase or decrease. It is a statement which shows the movement of funds and causes for movement of fund. That is called fund flow analysis. Fund flow analysis. Fund flow analysis means, simple meaning, it is a statement which shows the movement of fund and causes for movement of fund. Causes for movement of fund. In simple words, what is meant by fund flow statement? Simple, one mark word, like a interview meaning. So it is a statement. It is a statement of sources and application of funds. Sources and application, where the availability of financial resources and how we can utilization of financial resources. Source means availability, application means utilization, usage, utilization or usage. So the totally it is treated as, it is simple meaning of fund flow analysis means it is an analysis of application of funds and sources of funds. Source means availability, application means utilization. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಫಂಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸೋದನ್ನ ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ shows movement of funds and causes for movement of funds in the business organization with the help of sources of funds and application of funds. I think it's clear, my dear students. Then we are going to definition of fund flow analysis. According to Robert Anton, the fund flow analysis describes the source from which additional funds were derived and uses to which these were put. This is the definition given by Robert Anton. So we are not able to explain the definition because it is a definition given by famous personalities. So meaning and definition. Once again, meaning, my dear, fund flow statement means it is a statement which shows the sources of funds and application of funds. Fund flow statement is nothing but it is a statement prepared to know the movement of fund and causes for movement of fund. Then come to the point. What are the advantages of fund flow statement? Advantages of fund flow statement are uses of fund flow statement are merits of fund flow statement. Merits of fund flow statement, my dears, under that first one, it provides the information regarding availability of funds in the organization. It's clear, no need explanation, clear mention agide. It provides, fund flow statement provides always the availability of funds in the organizational ಯಾವ funds available ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಇದು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. Then it indicates the earning capacity of the business. By comparison of sources and application of funds, it is easy to find out the earning capacity of the business. Earning capacity of the business. First one, it indicates or it provides the information about availability of funds in the organization. Second one, it indicates the earning capacity of the business. Third one, it enables to know the ability of the business to pay dividend, to pay dividend to its shareholders, means fund flow statement. It enables to know the ability of business to pay the dividend. So business dividend ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ capacity ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ fund flow statement prepare ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. It enables to know the ability of the business to pay the dividend to the shareholders. The fourth point, it helps to planning temporary investment of fund. It helps to planning the temporary investment of fund. So fund flow statement helps to each and every organization to investment, especially on temporary investment, means of short term investment. Is it necessary, or it is company is able to invest the temporary investments by the help of preparing fund flow statement. Then it helps to evaluating proper utilization of funds. Proper utilization of funds, my dears, already we know that fund flow statement, it is a statement prepared to know the application and sources. Sources means availability of funds. It helps to, the fund flow statement helps to evaluating valuation of proper utilization of funds. ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ನ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದೀವಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಎವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Then it helps to formation of sound dividend policy. Here sound dividend policy is nothing but right dividend policy, exact dividend policy, means of fund flow. On the base of fund flow statement, we know the capacity of the organization to declare the dividend. So it helps to formation of dividend policy, how much dividend we are distributed as a dividend, or how much dividend we are transferred to reserves, or how to maintain the reserves in the organization. So it helps to formation of dividend policies in the organization. Seventh one, it helps to estimating future working capital requirement. My dears, next topic is working capital. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ what is meant by working capital ಅಂತ. Just fund flow statement helps to the organization to estimating future working capital requirement to an organization. Next, it helps to identifying unnecessary investments in fixed assets. It helps to identifying unnecessary investments on fixed assets. Fixed assets ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ unnecessary ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ it helps to taking appropriate decisions. On the base of fund flow statement, the managers are the respected persons. The managers are the respected person. They can take the necessary management decisions on the base of data available in the fund flow statement. So then the 10th, the last but not least, it helps to ascertain funds from operations. So practical aspect, it helps to find out funds from operations. So fund flow statement, why we are preparing fund flow statement means the main objective of preparation of fund flow statement to find out funds from operations. ನಾವೇನೇನು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಏನೇನು ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಕಂಪನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಕಂಪನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಇದು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ merits or uses or advantages of fund flow statement. Where there is advantages, there is a disadvantages or limitations of fund flow statement. Next topic, limitations or disadvantages. Are you clear? Vandana, voice clear ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ, ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ರೈಟ್. limitations of fund flow analysis. Limitations of fund flow analysis. Under that, it's based on historical method of accounting. Fund flow statement we are preparing on the base of historical data or statistical data, isn't it? Historical data means it's already occurred. It's already occurred. It's not means, it means simple meaning we are not consider the price level changes. We are not consider the price level changes because we are taking into consideration only historical cost method, means of historical method of accounting, already occurred accounting data we are used for preparation of fund flow analysis. The second one is it cannot reveals continuous changes. Already I told no, it's not it cannot reveals continuous changes is nothing but the present changes we are not taking to consideration while preparing the fund flow statement, because we are taking to consideration historical data which is available from financial accounting or other accounting information only. So that's why it cannot reveals continuous changes. It cannot reveals continuous changes. Third point, it does not take transactions which affected on working capital. Fund flow statement does not take transactions which affected on working capital because we are separately preparing the schedule of changing working capital. That's why we are not taking into consideration while preparing the fund flow analysis, that is the factors are the transactions which are affected on working capital, which are affected on working capital. The fourth limitation is it is not a useful as a cash flow statement, means the fund flow statement has less importance than the cash flow. Cash flow ಗಿಂತ fund flow importance ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಷ್ಟು ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. It does not reveals the cash position of the firm. It does not reveals cash flow because we are preparing fund flow statement. It only reveals funds from operations. Funds from operations ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ. It just a tool on analysis of financial statement but not an end. Fund flow statement, it is a one of the tool to analysis of financial statement, but it is not a final tool. It is not a final method. It is not we are not consider it is a final statement for financial decision. Financial decision. Fund flow statement is also a one method to analysis of financial statements, but it's not final. It's not final. And of course we know that it has less preference than the cash statement or cash flow statement. Then it is not original statement because it is only arrangement of financial data appearing in the books of statements. Already we were discussed, that is it's based on historical accounting method. That's why it is not original statement of the fund flow statement is not original because we are just a rearrangement of financial data which is available in the other financial statements or other books of accounts. So that's why it is not original. It is not original. Next, the next one is the eighth one. It indicates the changes in working capital between two periods only, but not whenever required. Whenever required. So now working capital na ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು only two periods. We are just a comparison of two periods, and moreover ಆ ಟೂ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕೋ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳಿರೋಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟೂ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಟೂ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕೋ ಅವಾಗ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಇರುವಾಗ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ limitations of fund flow analysis. These are the limitations of fund flow analysis. My dears, the next topic is differences between fund flow statement and income statement. Income statement is nothing but profit and loss account. Income statement is nothing but profit and loss account. Fund flow statement here, then income statement here. Profit and loss account antadru karibodu. Fund flow statement, it explains different sources and application of funds for a particular period. Fund flow statement mainly concentrate on sources of funds and application of funds. But income statement reveals net profit or net loss for a particular period. The main objective of income statement or profit and loss account to find out net profit or net loss for a particular period. That is first difference. The second difference, it considered both capital and revenue items. In the fund flow statement, we are considered both capital and revenue items, but in case of income statement, we are considered only the revenue items. Revenue items which are nothing but which are regular in nature, but capital items which are not regular in nature. But in fund flow statement, we are considered capital items and revenue items. But income statement, in case of profit and loss account, we are considered only the revenue items. The third difference is there is no prescribed format for fund flow statement. There is no exact format for fund flow statement, because fund flow statement we are prepared in so many manners, so many formats, but it is prepared in prescribed format. Profit and loss account andre ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then it is prepared to find out funds from operations. The result of fund flow statement is funds from operations. The result of fund flow statement is funds from operations. The result, it is not prepared to find out funds from operations, means the results of profit and loss account or income statement is net profit or net loss. So they are the differences between fund flow statement and income statement, my dears. The next differences between fund flow statement and balance sheet. We know that balance sheet. So what are the differences between fund flow statement and balance sheet? The first one, it is prepared on the base of trading, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Fund flow statement prepared on the base of, with the help of trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. But balance sheet we are prepared on the base of trial balance, with the help of trial balance. We know that, right? So balance sheet ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ trial balance ಮೇಲೆ prepare ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Fund flow statement trading, profit and loss account and balance sheet ಮೇಲೆ prepare ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. It presents financial changes between two balance sheets. Fund flow statement presents the financial changes between two balance sheet. For example, 2019 2020 or 2018 2019 balance sheet ಗಳನ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ನ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ಸ್, balance sheet presents assets and liabilities of firm ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಗಿವನ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್. ಒಂದು ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಗೆ ಆ ಫರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ನ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ it provide additional information to the management to discharge its functions. Fund flow statement provides additional information to the management to discharge its functions. Management functions na clear ಆಗಿ discharge ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ additional information ನ provide ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದು? Fund flow statement. But it explain financial position of the business for a particular period. That is the objective of preparation of balance sheet, right? So why we are preparing balance sheet means to find out the financial position of the firm for a given period. Then it required statement of changes in working capital. Fund flow statement ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ changes in working capital ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. It required trading account, profit and loss account. Balance sheet ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ trading and profit and loss account ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So they are the differences between fund flow statement and balance sheet. I think it's clear, my dear students. Then very important, so last we have 10 minutes ಇದೆ, ಅಷ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Steps involved in preparation of fund flow statement. The first step, preparation of schedule of changes in working capital. Changes in working capital first ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Preparation of necessary ledger accounts. ಯಾವ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅಗೇನ್ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್, ಯಾವ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫೈನಲಿ ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್, 4 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 4 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ preparation of schedule of changes in working capital. Second one is preparation of necessary ledger account, necessary. Then third one is compute the funds from operations. Fourth one is preparation of fund flow statement. Then come to the point. First one, schedule of changes in working capital or statement of changes in working capital. So it is a statement prepare to, it is a statement prepared with the help of current assets and current liabilities. My dear, very very important. Changes in working capital ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we are taking into consideration only current assets and current liabilities. Current liabilities to ascertain, to find out increase or decrease in working capital. So current assets, current liabilities ತಗೊಂಡು increase or decrease ನ find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Because increase in working capital is an application of funds and decrease in working capital is source of funds. Working capital increase ಆದ್ರೆ application of funds ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Working capital decrease ಆದ್ರೆ source of funds ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So working capital means the excess of current assets over current liabilities. Working capital means excess of current assets over current liabilities. Current liabilities ಗಿಂತ current assets ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ working capital ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So the formula is working capital equals current assets minus current liabilities. Current assets minus current liabilities. Then rules for statement of changes in working capital. Increase in current asset, increasing working capital. Decrease in current asset, decrease in working capital. But reverse irutte, liabilities reverse irutte. Increase in current liabilities, decreasing the working capital. Nodi, reverse ide. Decrease in current liability, increase in the working capital. My dear, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೆನಪು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Current assets ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ increase column ಗೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. Current liabilities ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ್ರೆ decrease column ತಗೋತೀವಿ. But liabilities reverse order, vice versa. Current liabilities decrease ಆದ್ರೆ increase column ತಗೋತೀವಿ. Current liabilities increase ಆದ್ರೆ decrease column ತಗೋತೀವಿ. Current liabilities decrease ಆದ್ರೆ increase column ತಗೋತೀವಿ. vice versa. Current assets increase ಆದ್ರೆ increase column. Current assets decrease ಆದ್ರೆ decrease column. Current liabilities increase ಆದ್ರೆ decrease column. Current liabilities decrease ಆದ್ರೆ increase column. vice versa. Then format ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. Total current assets indicate as A. Total current liabilities, sundry creditors, bills payable, outstanding expenses, bank overdraft, short-term advances, dividend payable, provision for taxation, proposed dividend, any other current liabilities ಇದ್ರೆ ಇರಬಹುದು. Total current liabilities B ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Working capital A ಅಲ್ಲಿ B ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ A minus B working capital, net increase or decrease ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಮನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಡ್ ನಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆರ್ ನಾನ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆರ್ ನಾನ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡೀಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಏನೇನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Definition of fund flow analysis, advantages, limitations of fund flow analysis, differences between fund flow statement and income statement, differences between fund flow statement and balance sheet, steps involved in preparation of fund flow statement. ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫೈನಲಿ ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅಗೇನ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಇನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, then format, then profit and loss account or specimen of statement of funds from operations format, then fund flow statement ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. again problem ಇದೆ. So that's it, your theoretical class. ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. if you have any doubts ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್